food and politics don't mix. So when singer and composer Adnan Sami recently posted a beautiful delectable plate of nihari on Twitter, he was trolled for having Pakistan's national dish. Is it so? Let's see. What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Recently when singer and composer Adnan Sami posted on Twitter a beautiful picture of nihari which was cooked by his wife Soya Sami Khan, he was trolled. He was trolled for having Pakistan's national dish, to which Adnan Sami replied. He said it comes from Uttar Pradesh and this was invented in kitchens of Lucknow. So here is an Indian dish which is Pakistan's national dish, just like Urdu which comes from India, and so on. Well, I told you, food and politics, they don't mix. Particularly good food and culture, they transcend barriers. Only politics and countries are divided by borders and hatred. Food and culture, it's pointless to argue. In my earlier videos, I have talked about nihari. Nihar comes from the word nahar, which means morning. It was a breakfast dish which was eaten by the soldiers during the Mughal times. This dish was invented probably during the 17th or 18th century. We don't know whether it was invented in Delhi or by Lucknow Khansamas. Some people say it is in Hyderabad. Whatever it is a delicious dish and it's available throughout the day in many of the restaurants in North India. Just not in North India. This is hugely popular in Pakistan, particularly in Karachi and in many places in Bangladesh. So just to pinpoint this dish or just to mark this dish as it belongs to one country is pointless. Because when it comes to food, anybody who enjoys this food can relish it. So today I am going to try nihari, nalli nihari, that too Old Delhi style. Unfortunately, because of the lockdown and restrictions, I couldn't go down to my favorite joints in Old Delhi near Jama Masjid. But I found a place here, right here in Noida, which is close to my house. This place is called Delish BBQ, Delish Barbecue, which is in sector 26 Noida. So here we have a beautiful plate of nalli nihari, some naan, roti and the accompaniments. I'll show you the accompaniments. Ginger juliens, fresh ginger juliens, some sliced green chilies. We have more onions and chilies. We have a green mint and coriander chutney and some freshly cut lemons, lemon wedges. But first I want to just garnish this nihari. I'll just put some ginger juliens and freshly cut green chilies on top of this beautiful nihari. The nihari has got a nice silky texture, the gravy looks thick, but there is enough rogan around the nihari, which means that it has been cooked in good ghee. I can't wait to dig into these dishes. Just see this nalli piece. It's beautiful. Let's see how well it is cooked. You can see the meat easily comes apart, leaving the bone. Slightly gelatinous, it is very well cooked. Now let's taste this. The meat is so tender and the spices have penetrated the meat. Also the ginger juliennes and the chopped green chilies, they impart a nice pungent hot flavor to this nihari. Nihari is a slow cooked stew, so it's normally cooked for 6 to 8 hours. But with the new technology, the process is quite fast. I don't know how much time these people take to cook the nihari. Actually, the combination of the right cut of meat, the good shank pieces, and the spices and the process, that is mark of a good quality nihari. The good quality nihari should have the spices in perfect harmony with this silky texture. You can see the gravy has got a silky texture and meat very well cooked because it is really slowly cooked. This has everything in the right proportion. When I eat this gravy or when I taste this gravy, I can get a medley of flavors in my mouth. Actually, all the spices are in perfect harmony here. It's like a beautiful orchestra or symphony. That's the correct word. It is a perfect, great symphony. That is what a good quality nihari is about. Everything has to be in right proportions and the meat is kind of perfectly amalgamated in the gravy. You can't separate both. I've taken a little bit of ginger juliennes and the green chilies with this bite. I'm really missing the khamiri roti now. Khamiri roti is so soft and it soaks up all the flavors. The naan and the tandoori roti are good, but they are not sponge-like. They don't really soak up the gravy. It is more like I have to really scoop the gravy. Thanks to Adnan Sami for reminding me about good nihari. I've really missed it for last 5 or 6 months. I went to Old Delhi in winters, I think in January or February. But after that, the lockdown started. But for people in Noida, there is a good option. Delish BBQ or Delish Barbecue. They have fantastic dishes like this mutton nihari, Nali nihari. All the details about this joint and the rates of the dishes and the link to their website is there in the description below. Please check that and order nihari and eat and tell me in the comments below how you liked it. I hope you have liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to receive all the notifications whenever we upload a video. That is twice in a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I will also request you to check my website www.chompingchampion.com. We have all kinds of stories like this Adnan Sami story on our website. It is just not about food reviews or restaurant reviews. There is much more in the website. Stay safe and stay fit and see you in the next episode. Bye.